In this video, we will show the article in its original format. Right now, we are displaying the article in a plain text. To render the article, we will use CK Editor because we use CK Editor to create article. To preserve the formatting, we will use CK Editor on a public page. On public page, we will use read-only mode. Go to Add Update Article component. Copy this CK Editor tag. Paste in article detail page. We will bind the article.body with ng model. Remove this form control attribute. Save the changes. Go to Chrome. You can see Seek Editor rendered the article, but it's showing the toolbar. User can use this toolbar control. First, we will try read-only mode. Read-only mode will disable all the controls. Read-only, pass through. You can see now I cannot select the image. First, I will remove the border. We can see the two border. I will remove one. So card has border. Remove this card class. You can see we have one border now. We will remove toolbar from Seek Editor. Go to Seek Editor component. Go to TS file. Copy this config object. Seek editor get control list from this object. It shows that's control which we mentioned in this config object. In config, we will pass empty object, just curly braces. It will give type error. Go to my Seek editor component. Change the type, use any. Save the changes. You will see no error. In config, we did not pass any control name, so Seek editor will hide the toolbar. And basically we don't show the toolbar on a public view. You can see no toolbar, it's working fine. Two more thing, when you click on DevBugFix home link, it refresh the page. It should not refresh the page because this is a single page application. And second thing, when you click on article link from public view, it show admin page of article list, but it should show public view of article list because we are on a public page. Go to public layout page. From article link, remove this route portal/article management. Now it's pointing to base URL, and we know base URL show the public page of article list. Copy this outer link, remove this href attribute. It's refresh the page. Paste here. It will point to /portal/article dash management. Save the changes. We will test. We are on a public page. Click on article link. It's showing public page of article list. When you click on DevBugFix link, it show admin page, and this link did not refresh the page, which is good. It's not a good practice to reload or refresh the page in a single page application. Now we will add one more article. Search article Angular 13 features. Click on first article. Copy this article with images. Copy, paste here. Copy article title, paste here. Unpublish this article. Publish the article. Go to public view. You can see two articles. Close this tab. Click on read more link. You can see articles with heading and images. On article detail page, we will change the date position, first date then title. Save the changes. Thank you for watching.